Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable choose an operating system at startup in Windows 11 or how to stop or disable dual boot in your computer or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your button search bar, and here you need to type for advanced space system. Again, type for Advanced System, and a control panel which is View Advanced System Settings will appear under the Best Matched. Here you need to go with Open to continue and wait until a new window will appear. Okay, so once the system properties is showing here in your screen, you would be automatically be redirected to Advanced tabbed where you can see three sections. Here, you need to go with Startup and Recovery, which contains the system startup, system failure, and debugging information. Now click the settings on it, and you'll be able to see this Startup Recovery. Now there is a default operating system, and here you would be able to choose what operating system that you would want. Okay, so here you need to choose what operating system that you would like. In my case, I have only one, but in your case, you have the two since you have you face an error. You have the dual boot. That's why in my case, I'm not facing an error. That's why it shows only one here. But in your case, you have the other option since you're facing a dual boot error. Okay, just have to select the operating system that you would want to go with. And once you have selected it, uncheck this box, time to display list of operating systems. Click on OK. And once you have that click on it, you just have to restart your computer. Okay, restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.